Hello, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit the title of 404 page in the Divi theme. So in order to change the title of 404 page in the Divi theme, what you need to do is to go to this file manager. Whichever hosting you are using, this will be the same file manager for every hosting. So you'll go to file manager and then you will go to the WordPress installation file folder. And once you'll be in the folder, the next thing you need to do is to click on this wp dash content, and from here you'll click on this themes, and from themes you'll choose the Divi theme. So this video is specifically for the Divi theme only. Once you will choose the Divi theme, then you will choose this ePanel folder. From this ePanel folder you will choose the custom functions.php, and from here you will search for 404 and hit search. This will bring you here, but you will need to find this line, and from here you can change the title of 404 page. So for now the title of my 404 page is 404 not found. I can show you that. CP Ink back. So this is the website. I'll put in anything just to show you. And now you can see we have a 404 not found as the title in here. So what I want is to change this title. So what I'll do is to change this text here, and I'll name it as anything. For now I am adding this as cell pages, and I'll hit save. Once that is done, now if I refresh this, now you can see this title is changed. So this is how you can change the title of error 404 page in the Divi theme. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.